Hi guys! Today I'm gonna show you 3 simple DIYs that you can do for your lips kasi lips are very delicate, guys. Madali siyang mangitim. So, just like the skin, you have to take care of it, right? Kasi nangingitim nga siya, nagkakaroon siya ng chopped lips, and all that bad stuff. So, marami nangyayari sa kanya just like the skin. So, today, I will show you 3 DIYs that you can do for your lips. Lip scrub, and basic lip care routine also that you can do on everyday basis. So, yun lang. Let's get started. For lip scrub number 1, all you need is honey, like this one. Nasa stick siya. I bought this one in Coffee Bean. This will only cost you like 15 pesos kasi mahal yung nasa jar. And also, hindi ko naman siya palaging ginagamit. I'm just using honey for lip scrub, basically. And also, ginagamit ko rin siya for my teeth. Anyway, so you need honey and some brown sugar like this. Mix it together like that. So, right full amount of honey like this. And some brown sugar, white sugar, light brown sugar will do, it's okay. The honey will just, you know, evens out the roughness of the sugar. That's why we have honey. And also, honey is a good moisturizer too. So, yeah, it has antioxidants and all that good stuff. Also, the brown sugar will do that too. Just mix this together. Kailangan nyo ng, eto, dito ko na rin, eto na rin magiging pansalo ko. But basically, just something to make salo-salo the fallout. And just scrub this all over your lips. Oh, this is so sweet. I want to eat it. Scrub it in a circular motion. Also include this side of your lips. You can do this in a weekly basis, guys. You don't have to do it every day. Just, you know, take the excess lipstick that you have been wearing for a week and nourish it and moisturize it and take off the, you know, the chops, the dead skin cells, and everything, every bad stuff there. Excuse the face, I don't have any makeup on, but excuse that. I hope you understand. Then, when this is done, you can wash it off or just eat it. Kung di kayo diabetic ka. Pag tapos na kayo, absolutely, you're gonna feel a difference in your lips. It's more supple, parang kissable ka lalo, tapos ang lambot-lambot, super lambot niyan sa lips as in. And the number 2 DIY that we have, in case you don't have any honey, petroleum jelly will do. This is safe for lips, guys. Just don't eat it, okay? Don't eat it. In case you don't have any honey around, petroleum jelly will do it for you. Again, with the brown sugar and the petroleum jelly, mix it together. Don't eat it, okay? Scrub in your lips. Like this. After you're done, just wipe it off or wash it afterwards and you're okay. Don't eat it, okay? Don't eat the petroleum jelly. Yung honey, okay lang. Lastly, kung wala kayong petroleum jelly at wala rin kayong brown sugar or white sugar or wala kayong honey, kasi yun ang pinakamahirap hanapin, yung white honey. Yung honey. White honey. Yung honey, toothbrush will do it for you. On a daily basis, when you're brushing your teeth, guys, di ba? Nagbabrush kayo ng teeth. Pagkatapos nyo mag-brush ng teeth at saka ng tongue, you just have to scrub your toothbrush in your lips. Don't make a rough circular motion, guys. Just a gentle circular motion. I suggest you guys, while you're brushing your teeth, you don't have to wash the toothbrush or the toothpaste off your toothbrush. You just have to automatically, after brushing your teeth with the product on or the toothpaste on, just rub your toothbrush all over your lips,
including the sides.
You can do that every day. This is very gentle. And kung wala kayong honey or petroleum jelly or brown sugar, toothbrush will do. And yeah. For basic regimen, guys, for your lips, basically, upon or before you apply lipstick, make sure that you have your lip balm on, like this one. Just, you know, just take care of your lips before applying lipsticks. night, guys, when you wipe off your lips and before heading to sleep, might as well put some petroleum jelly. I super love applying this at night because kinabukasan, it leaves me supple, soft, and blooming lips. May ganun ba? Blooming lips. Blooming lips, very nourished lips. So I suggest you guys to put some petroleum jelly on before heading to sleep para kinabukasan, para kayong may kissable lips. That's it for this DIY and some regimen tips that I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please do give me a big thumbs up. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do hit the subscribe button and be part of my family. And lastly, follow me in my social media accounts. I'll be linking that in the description box as well. And thank you very much, guys, for watching. Have a great day and happy day too. Bye!